Ever hit a wall in your favorite game? Greeted by that frustrating "this experience is unavailable due to your account settings" error? Don't worry. This common roadblock usually points to a simple privacy or parental control setting that's easily fixed, letting you dive back into the action without missing a beat. First, let's tackle Roblox. Head over to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account information page. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. We're interested in the Privacy tab. Click on Privacy. Here's where you'll find the key settings. Scroll down and look for sections related to who can interact with you or what content you can access. Make sure options like communication and social are adjusted appropriately, toggling them to everyone or friends if you're not the one managing the account through Parental Controls. If you're on Xbox, the process is similar. Just within the Xbox ecosystem, you'll need to access your Microsoft account privacy settings. On your Xbox, go to your profile by selecting your gamertag. From there, choose Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a Privacy and Online Safety section. Click into Xbox Live Privacy. This is critical. You'll want to review your communication and game content settings. Ensure that others can communicate with voice and text is set to everyone or friends, and for game content, make sure it's not restricted in a way that prevents access to the experience you're trying to enjoy. If you're under 18, these settings might be managed by a parent or guardian. In that case, you'll need to speak with them to adjust these permissions. Once you've made those adjustments, simply refresh the platform or restart the game, and that error message should be a thing of the past. Enjoy your uninterrupted gaming.